Hi everyone, welcome to Life with Makajin. I am Umakajin. So, Bazalabamzito, I wanted us to talk about, to gossip about celebrity games. We know that Buglalu Maskandi, hip hop, gospel, nekom. So, I wanted us to talk about that games. And guys, I'm going to this clip, then we'll come back.
Must be ama-artist kumele kube ukuthi bayacula banama-album utira ulethe ama abafana abawu-11 abadlala ibhola imawo angikuphazamisanga angikuphazamisanga
so yonke into imile nje
imawo abantu abawu-11 or soccer players should be playing.
Right, guys, I want to know, okay, Zulu, Tira, come through. Guys, I only want the 4 people involved here. We're live on air, guys. I can't do this and you can't be seen. So that decision must be taken here on the air. Big Zulu, we're live on air, so unfortunately I can't involve everybody else. The gentlemen here need to tell us, we want to show the game. We said we want to support this thing that you're doing. As the SABC and SABC Sport, we put resources and money behind this to show a game in the off-season. Are you guys then telling me, Ogoti, we have to play a movie Chan-Li, ngoba nina decide ukuthi anizodlala umdlalo akho reasoning enzofika kuyona?
Now we have taken a decision ukuthi ama team wonke adlala ashaya ama penalty, so that is over balance. Only 3 people from the team.
And then what then happens there? 3 teams take penalties. What? So ebedlale nenye ithathe, so because umaskat
with hip hop. They are going penalties with people hip hop. They say so.
Is this something you guys are all agreeing on?
We're just trying, guys. Dumi, udliwe, cela usiphumela.
Right, I don't want it to get like this, and with you seeing this. So let's take an ad break. We'll talk when we come back. Take a quick break.
Hi, Bazalabamzito. That is Dumi ngena ke kushika isibongo sakhe ngoba angikwazi ukusipronounce abe ningi-attack lanithi angikwazi ukubiza ibongo zabantu but ke umculo wethu odumile nothandwayo uDumi noBig Zulu. Guys, mina I love them both, and guys, to be honest nela ngisaba nokubeka nje umbono wami but kuyo yonke lento le ngifila ngathi umuntu enhle emoshakele emotion nje into encane bangahlala phansi bayikhuluma. And mina I feel as if uDumi as much as are right, rules are rules, guys. uDJ Tira beka wrong. Umuntu labo kumele attack kakhulu uDJ Tira beka wrong. As much as uBig Zulu wrong ubiza uDumi ngomfana. But ngibuye ngicabanga ukuthi uBig Zulu ubuye endabeni ukuthi if kudlala ibhola anyeke ukuthi hey babDumi, you understand? And beka kwatile even though uBig Zulu makhuluma noDumi bekufile ngathi sekayam attack indlela kwate ngayo, yabo. And vele uDumi bakangathi bengifile ngathi ngiya attack vele bana right ukuziphenduselela. Okay fine, asindluleni lapho. uBig Zulu uxolisile guys, salithatha uxolo wakhe. Kodwa nje into ebalekile nje I think bonke kumele baxolise kubalandeli babo, balaxolise kakhulu kubantu abathenga amathikithi because those people abathenga amathikithi isayini ukuthi siyayisupporta lento eniyenzayo, siyayithanda lento eniyenzayo, yabo. uZulu ngifile sorry uDumi uDumi singabisi bonke sakhe bazala. uDumi ngifile ngathi ubabDumi bokumele afake isikhalazo. Even I know this is a once-off thing. Idlala ngayi-1, it's not a league. But kumele afake isikhazana next day izobuya. If kuwina uDJ Tira kushiwo ke uDJ Tira uzofayinwa ngani. Even though isikhalazo sakhe mhlambe besawuphendula ngabo November le akunankinga. Kumele kuphendula ukuthiwa uDJ Tira was wrong cause of which he is wrong. Why mele azi ama-rules aphikisa ama-rules. Phela uDJ Tira yonke into ayishoyo uDumi. That means uDJ Tira ayikho nerule wana elandelile, understand? Bomele kushiwo if DJ Tira winile amunce mhlambe leyo whatever leyo prize abayiwinayo afayinwe futhi ukuthi na next time if kungena abanye abantu bazi ukuthi imithetho yalandela kule game ithathwe serious lento. Guys, ngiyanitshela lento le bekuzoba into enkulu kodwa indlela enzeke ngayo manje ngifile ngathi abantu abaningi bayisala mina I for one nami ngisalithenga ithikithi. Cabanga uthenga ithikithi usuke kakhulu uzobukela ibhola. Only to find out abantu bazolwa, abantu abadliyo yibo abakumele bachubeke badlale, na understand? But bazala bamzithu kuwo konke into engiyithandayo kuwo konke uDumi Skosat angayiboni i-apology yakhe, but I've seen uyatrend ucolisile, ngibonile kaBig Zulu ucolisile. We are waiting for uDJ Tira noKhuzani ngoba lento ezokhuzani wrong guys. uKhuzani bekasakhulumani ngoba yena udliwe, bomela ahlale phansi abantu abacomplainayo, yena yinto ayicomplainelayo. Udliwe bomela ahlale phansi kuchubeke le 3 ikhulume. uDumi naye bokumela ahlale phansi acomplaine after. But ke bazala bamzitho, do comment down below and please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.